Step into a magic realm where wonders come alive. Welcome aspiring witches and wizards to an extraordinary DIY adventure. In this video, we will uncover the secrets of the Harry Potter universe and guide you on an incredible journey to create your very own Elder Wand replica. But that's not all. Along this enchanting quest, we will delve into the depths of the wands used by the Harry, Hermione, Ron, and even the infamous Voldemort. So let's not wait any longer. Let's dive right into the heart of the magic and embark on this captivating journey together. Get ready to unleash your imagination as we ignite a past of endless creativity and captivating marvel, crafting these legendary wands that will transport you to a world beyond your wildest dreams. Get ready to wield the power of imagination and let your creative ideas soar as we breathe life into these iconic wands, inspiring a realm of enchantment and wonder. For making this project, you will need 2 metal rods and some M-seal or something similar. As I have used 2 bicycle spoke rods, we need to trim them before anything else. Now simply tape the rods together. Now wrap some very fine wire around the rods. Secure the rods with some super glue. Take equal amounts of the epoxy clay, or in my case the M-seal, and mix it well. Use some talcum powder if needed. Shape the M-seal in a long form and embed the rod inside the M-seal. Then keep it rolling until it's smooth from all sides. Also, make sure to check the diameter of the wand and adjust accordingly. You can simply make it thinner just by keeping it rolling, or make it thicker just by adding some more material. With the help of a ruler or a tape measure, it's time to mark the wand at the shown lengths. Make sure to double check the length and keep going for the whole wand. Here are the final dimensions. Now start adding some more material into the shown areas. Use this video as a guide. Just do what I have shown in this video. Add some material and keep it smooth. Keep the material rolling until it's getting hard or it's getting its final shape. When it's done, it should look like this. Now draw these shapes. Now it's the carving time. I have used these tungsten carbide cutting tools for my project. Using a sander on the rotary tool, I have sanded down the bottom of the wand. Also, don't forget to use some wet sand for better finish. Make these dents and cuts, followed by these decorative holes. Give it a light wet sand. Then, using a flat rotary bar, rough out the body of the wand. Repeat the same process for the whole wand. Make sure to complete those decorative holes. Don't make those holes very deep. These are only for the decorative purpose. And the wand should look like this. Draw these lines as they contain the magical power of this wand. Repeat it on the other side also. Using a small handsaw, cut the grooves for the spell part. It's now the painting time. Take some brown, yellow ochre, white and some black paint. Paint the whole wand in dark brown color. Now paint this spell area. And this project is done. Congratulations fellow wizards and witches. You have completed an incredible journey into the world of Harry Potter and the art of wand crafting. By now, you hold in your hands a magnificent replica of the Elder Wand, a symbol of extraordinary power and wizarding mastery, but the magic does not end here. With your newfound skills, you can continue exploring the world of wand making and create your unique own designs inspired by the wands of Harry, Hermione, Ron and Voldemort. So go forth, unleash your creativity and let your imagination soar. Remember, the true magic lies within you. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting DIY adventure, and may your wand always be a source of inspiration and wonder. Until then, next time, happy wand crafting.